Hi guys, Jeff from Discovery Floats here, and today I'm going to take you through a 2-horse angle at 14'6". This one's it's coming at about 2 tonne and is rated to 3.5. So for 14'6", it's not an overly big float, but we've managed to get a lot into it. So I'll take you through and see what you think. So to begin with, I've done a 2-tone paint job with it. The checker plate, all standard. Coming around the side, we've got the Caravan door here, which has obviously the fly screen attachment to it, which is the advantage of Caravan doors. It's equipped with an awning, 3-metre awning, recessed tie-ups, standard checker plate, silver alloy wheels. Coming around the back, so here we've got the rear swingout tack box with the basket on top, and it's fitted with 3 saddle racks and 3 bridle hooks, so plenty of room in there. All adjustable or removable saddle racks. Coming inside, as you can see, we've got the standard dividers with the swinging head dividers. We've also got a shower in here with the chrome fauceting, mixer, and here we have the trapdoor with the stainless steel pit. This is all done on the adjustable bays, which I've been through in lots of videos. So the advantage of those is that you can adjust the width of your bays and also bring all the dividers around, slide them in, and you're able to lock up the back without removing any dividers. As we come in here, we've got the standard rug rack. The ceiling's lined, and this one's also equipped with a drop-down bed, which is held in by the drop pins. Simply open the drop pins, this drops down, the legs swing down on both ends, and then you've got a padded bed there. Easy to use, simply put back up, release the drop pins, and there you go. This one too, we've also equipped with extra recessed tie-ups in the horse zone for the other half that wants to tie in his bike. So that we've worked with the client and where he wanted them, and there we have it. Coming along into the front, we've got the full 3/4 divider with a snib wall. And as you can see, what we've done in here is created some living. Carpet flooring, we've got the seating in front, telescopic table, and bunk above. Coming in, so in here we've created a microwave, fridge and bench top with a half-hanging wardrobe. And if you can come in and see this, so here we've got it all done in joinery, mirror, hanging rod inside. On the bench top we featured a double power points, USB ports. We've got the microwave and the fridge here, which is 80 litre 2-way fridge, so it runs on 240 volt and 12 volt power. And then we've also equipped a flip top table. This comes here and a leg will just insert into there, just to give you that extra bench space over the weekends when needed. So yeah, great little float with a lot of features which makes your weekend stays most enjoyable. That's it guys, speak soon. Thank you, bye.